Foods that fight against obesity and help you lose weight fast. What is obesity? Obesity is a medical condition where excess body fat has accumulated in different parts of the body. There are different adverse effects of obesity on human health. Too much intensity of body fat results in many health problems and a reduction in lifespan. Obesity initiates different diseases like heart problems, type 2 diabetes, insomnia, skin disease, certain kind of cancer, disorders in endocrine systems, mental illness, and arthritis. The Medical Association of America classified obesity as a kind of disease. What are the causes of obesity? 1. Intake of excess food energy. 2. Lack of exercise and physical activity. 3. Obesity can also from genetics. 4. Too much intake of steroidal medicine. What are the active measures taken to fight against obesity? 1. Regular exercise and proper physical activities are taken to fight against obesity. Intake of fat-burning supplements must be avoided, which causes some health problems. 2. Intake of proper and healthy foods to overcome obesity. Overfeeding and intake of excess food results in the accumulation of body fats. To fight obesity, several dietary measures are taken which restricts the intake of carbohydrate and fats, which are the main two components of obesity. 3. Avoid the intake of steroidal medicine. Foods that help you lose weight. There are different foods available worldwide used for burning excess body calories. These foods are used to fight against obesity and which is obtained without doing too much exercise. This kind of food helps in the retention of water and increases metabolism, which ultimately results in feeling fuller for longer hours. The different foods for weight loss are: 1. Almonds. The nutritional value of almonds is vitamin E and protein with high fiber contents. Intake of almonds stops us from feeling hungry. 2. Leafy green vegetables. By proper intake of leafy green vegetables like spinach and lettuce results in the loss of weight. It is the quickest way for weight reduction as it is extremely low in calories. It consists of rich fiber, several vitamins, and minerals which help in body water retention. 3. Oats. Oats are basically used for lowering body cholesterol. A portion of oats is taken regularly in the morning for breakfast and it is a low-calorie diet. The intake of oats results in the slow release of natural energy throughout the day which keeps us feeling fuller all day. 4. Olive oil. Intake of olive oil results in the overall weight loss of the body. Olive oil consists of a naturally occurring chemical commonly known as oleic acid which helps in the breakdown of excess fat in our body. 5. Beans. The different nutrients of beans are protein and fiber. It is basically low in energy and releases slow energy. This food is also taken for proper body weight loss. 6. Green tea. It is another component of food used for excess weight loss. This is basically used for water retention and flushing out excess fluids from the body. Regular intake of green tea speed up the metabolism, which helps in burning the excess fat in our bodies. The above foods are good sources for you to stay away from obesity and help you lose weight fast. You can use them in any diet and at any time needed. If you like the video, so please don't forget to make a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.